When someone isn't feeling well, they're not able to live life to the fullest. You know, you may go through the motions and feel like you did okay that day, but you know deep down that there's more potential. And by removing that cloud around you, maybe that brain fog or just the fog of having to deal with a health issue, people are able to focus with more clarity on what is going on in their day-to-day life. I started Ideal Health and Wellness because I dealt with thyroid issues for 6 years before I learned about functional medicine. And then as soon as I started to learn more and go to seminars and meet some of the leaders in the profession, I got really excited about it. And there wasn't an avenue for people to reach that in Morgantown. So I was really excited to bring that to the area because I know there are people who are looking for answers. I wanted to be one of those people who could help people find out why. So I use a lot of comprehensive testing that allows me to look at all of the different systems of the body and really understand what the body is going through as a whole, instead of separating each part from the other, because in reality, it's all working together. And it allows me to be the medical detective and really look for the root cause.
Well, I've been suffering for the last several years with stomach issues, digestive issues, and I just kept getting worse. I didn't want to go to somebody that was just going to fix it with a pill or surgery or something like that, because I did feel like it was something that was treatable with just a change in lifestyle, and that was the case. You know, I came in here and told her what was going on, and she said, I think I know what it is, and we did some blood tests, and she did get to the root of the problem, and we're first and foremost healing that, and then working on the secondary issues that this has caused over the years. Thank you, Dr. Mallon. You have been instrumental in helping me get my life back.
In West Virginia, we have a lot of chronic conditions that are being managed medically, but with a lot of those, there is a way to help them improve their quality of life without just adding another medication to their already long list of medications that they're taking. From my perspective, in an ideal world, we should all work together and co-manage these patients to really get them on the lowest dose possible. And as their body heals, if they can go off a medication, work together to achieve that goal, because ultimately they're getting a better quality of life.
I was having headaches constantly. I had gained a lot of weight and I just couldn't keep it off. And I just didn't know what to do. I kind of was at a dead end, I guess, because I had gone to actually a neurologist and he couldn't help me. He just kept putting me on medication. And I'm 24, I don't want to be on medication for the rest of my life. My overall experience with Dr. Mallon has been amazing. So she helped me change my diet. She had me go gluten-free. It was a little difficult at first, but I'm working on it now. I've seen a lot of benefits. I have lost weight. I feel amazing. I couldn't even bend over before I came and saw her. And to actually be able to move around now, it's amazing. Thank you, Dr. Mallon.
Each patient is unique, and each protocol designed for that patient is specifically made for their needs. So some people need a dietary change in conjunction with some supplements. Other people may have a more complex approach that involves some oxygen therapies or some neurological therapies in the office. With chronic conditions, usually it's not a sudden onset. Gradually over time, you notice that you're not doing the same things, or you're not enjoying life like you used to. You can't go play with your kids, or you're not out exercising like you used to. And that's what happens. One day you wake up and your life is totally different. And with functional medicine, it gradually gives you your life back. This didn't happen overnight, and the body doesn't heal overnight, unfortunately. But over time, given the right support and the right supplements and the right healing protocols, the body does have the potential to heal.
Prior to seeing Dr. Mallon, I had several health issues. Was tired, not sleeping, muscle aches and pains. I didn't realize how much energy I lacked and how much focus I lacked in my day-to-day life. Since the protocol, I've been able to spend more time with family. I have more energy to do the things that I want to do every day, not just the things I have to do every day. It's really great to have my life back. Thank you, Dr. Mallon.
There will be a lot of people who are skeptical about this functional medicine approach, and that's okay. I'm looking for people who are really ready for this, and for that reason I meet with people before we get started to really get an understanding of where they've been, what they're looking for, and tell them about what I do and what it's going to entail, and tell them that it's not going to be easy. And for those people who are looking for the quick fix to deal with their symptoms, this program might not be right for them. But for those people who are looking for the root cause, who really want to make a change and allow their body to heal, this is definitely a program for them. I'm Dr. Emily Mallon with Ideal Health and Wellness, and I'm here to help you get your life back.